Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings to the YouTube channel. There's the general saying that the stone that the builders reject has become the chief cornerstone. For the often time, Nigerians have been calling out the Southeasterners to please rein in check on those clamoring for seat at home. We are gradually coming to the D-Day. I'm talking about the election proper, 2023 election that will change the narrative, make or mar Nigerian situation. And there have been those who have been calling for Biafra. But if you look at this political scene, you'll agree with me that one of the forerunners of this election is an Igbo man. I'm talking about the person of Peter Obi. It has never been like this in a long time when it comes to politicking in Nigeria. It's always been vice president. But right now, we have Peter Obi in the making. And the beautiful thing about this is that he's not running on a platform of religion or ethnicity, but he's running on a platform of capacity and his intellectual ability to turn the narrative around. But there is a problem. One of those who have been pushing and championing for Biafra actualization, who after the arrest and detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have taken the forefront of doing the needful, calling for UGM to do the needful and insisting that Biafra must come, is the person of Simon Ekpa. The Igbos have risen up and have decided to take the bulls by the horns, and they have made sure, or they are making sure, that they will no longer be set at home in the southeastern region anymore. And they have decided to make this move, and they have every intention to make election hold in Southeast. And this is what they have decided to do. Before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified. Soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, the APEC Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide, said it has uncovered plans of the enemies of Ndigbo to hire a self-acclaimed Biafran agitator, Simon Ekpa, who has capitalized on the windows and lapses created by the ongoing trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, to incite attack, disrupt the electoral processes, and lessen the voting strength of the Southeast region. Politics discovered is that in a statement which was reported by Okechukwu Izuguzoro on Monday, the Secretary General of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide, the group said Ekpa's ploy is part of the strategies of his paymaster, who is one of the frontline presidential candidates in respect of the 2023 election. The statement added that Igbo people might be compelled to disclose to the world who the diaspora-based separatist is working for. Ohanaeze accused Ekpa of hiding under his Finnish citizenship to evade arrest and wreak havoc in the southeast, and called on Interpol to arrest him. Ndigbo has cancelled the sit-at-home instituted by Simon Ekpa on the 23rd and the 24th of January 2023 and urged the Southeast governors to emulate the wisdom of the Abia State government to declare public holidays on the same days for the people to go out and get their PVCs before the deadline on the 29th of January 2023. Ohanaeze Ndigbo's statement reads, Ndigbo should know that Simon Ekpa will never return to Southeast again in the future. An Igbo resident in Finland who had earlier disowned his actions and activities should aid the Nigerian government and Interpol to arrest Simon Ekpa in order to stabilize the Southeast and rescue the zone from the nefarious activities of his gang members masquerading as Biafran agitators who are interested in killing people and burning public buildings and property. Ndigbo has placed a bounty reward of $50,000 for anyone who has useful information on how Simon Ekpa will be apprehended for his extradition and prosecution in Nigeria to answer the law of the land over his criminalities, incitement of violence and burning of public properties in the name of self-determination. The task to preserve and rescue the Southeast should begin with the help of all Igbos in the diaspora and at home, to assist in the arrest of the worsening insecurity challenges, dwindling of the economic and social activities caused by Ekpa's ranting and illegal seat at home. It added, if Ndigbo fails to uproot this decayed tooth called Simon Ekpa, it has been discovered that he is using his declared sit at home of the 23rd and the 24th of January 2023 to test the waters for his biggest hit of the 25th of February 2023. He is one of the smartest con men alive, who is playing the script of a disfavored and unpopular presidential candidate who is inquisitive to use Ekpa's nuisance to scare away potential Igbo voters in 2023 presidential election as part of his winning strategy. Igbo has declared Simon Ifeanyi Njoku Ekpa on this day, the 23rd of January 2023, as the number one adversary and enemy of Igbo, who Igbo had caught sight of in the last 200 years. My God. Talk about disowning their own son. That's exactly what I'm saying here. But then the question is, desperate actions now. Desperate measures require desperate actions. But of course, Nigerians are reacting to this very quickly. Let's feel the pulse of Nigerians in no particular order. This one here says, any person that supports a fugitive slave like Simon Ekpa is the worst person. Sit at home, kill him and his supporters. Jobless people. No well-known person will do such a thing. There must be election in Southeast to the glory of God. Another person here said, Ohaneze Igbo and Izuguzoro, in the name of Jesus Christ, I reverse that your bounty on Simon Ekpa to all of you. This is a supporter of Simon Ekpa saying it will not work. Another person here says, someone is creating havoc in your region and you are beating the drum of insult on your elders for trying to bring normalcy for you to enjoy. Now, wow. So you think what is happening in Southeast is child's play? Abi, have you ever had a rethink, my brother? Food for thought. Another person here says, Simon Ekpa have succeeded in demonizing you to a point of insulting your father's lineage. Anyway, keep on enjoying the destruction going on in your region. It will get to your doorstep one day. Another person here saying, Ohaneze Igbo worldwide. No election in Biafra land. Bomb. Seriously. Another person here saying, who is Ohaneze? If not for Simon Ekpa, the struggle for Don Dio, he is now authentic supreme leader of Biafran land. So he's no more Mazinam Khan. Very funny. Another person says, struggle. For you and who? Are you loving all the killings that is going on in Southeast? Name of enforcing sit at home. You're not serious. Now there's a thought. Some person says it's not good. Another person says, if not for Simon Ekpa, Biafran agitation would have been long dead. Another person is saying, Simon Ekpa used Ebonyi state government money to study abroad in form of scholarship during Dr. Sam Igbo's tenure. Now he's biting the hands that fed him. Nature will definitely show you its other side of betrayal. Another person here is saying, Simon Ekpa is doing also again. Another person here is saying, deal with Ekpa's family members in Ebonyi State to teach Ekpa the highest lesson first. Why would you do that? It's not his family that is doing it. That will not be fair if you ask me. Another person here says, now I know the people supporting Simon Ekpa is not educated. You guys want Biafra, but you don't use your brain. This is very simple support. This is very simple. Support Peter Obi, and it will be very easy to achieve whatever you want. All right. You've heard all what they've said. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? Are you in support of the $50,000 bounty on Simon Ekpa so that this whole thing will stop? Or do you think Simon Ekpa really means well in that?